Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Banco Sabadell fixed deposit. Banco Sabadell is a Spanish bank that offers a range of financial products and services, including fixed deposits. A fixed deposit is a type of savings account that allows you to deposit a sum of money for a fixed period of time, earning a fixed interest rate. To open a fixed deposit account with Banco Sabadell, you will need to visit a branch or use the bank's online banking platform. You will need to provide identification and proof of address, as well as the amount you wish to deposit. The minimum deposit amount varies depending on the type of account and the term of the deposit. Once you have opened your fixed deposit account, you can manage it online or through the bank's mobile app. You can view your account balance, interest rates, and maturity dates, as well as make withdrawals or close the account. It is essential to note that early withdrawal of a fixed deposit may result in penalties or loss of interest. The interest rates offered by Banco Sabadell on fixed deposits vary depending on the term of the deposit and the amount deposited. Generally, the longer the term and the larger the deposit, the higher the interest rate. It is crucial to review the interest rates and terms before opening a fixed deposit account. To maximize the benefits of a fixed deposit, it is recommended to choose a term that aligns with your financial goals and to make regular deposits to take advantage of compound interest. Additionally, it is essential to read and understand the terms and conditions of the account before opening it. In conclusion, using a Banco Sabadell fixed deposit is a straightforward process that can provide a low-risk investment opportunity with a fixed return. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined in this tutorial, you can make informed decisions about your savings and investments.